I'm a little late. I'm gonna give that to you guys. I'm a little late. Hey friends, hey, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video, and welcome if you are new to these parts. My name is Symone. I am a cash budgeter as well as a zero-base budgeter. Okay, so today I'm a little late. I'm gonna give that to you guys. I'm a little late. It is April 9th and I am just getting around to doing my monthly budget. I've already actually started spending, so yeah, a little grace. I need a little grace, guys, because I actually lost my voice, wanted to do the video, couldn't do the video, so I kind of delayed the process and I just started to get my voice back. So let's just jump right into April's budget and see how we are going to be spending our money for the month of April. I've already gone ahead and filled out my calendar spread. I actually got some new markers, guys. I think they're super cute. So I'm gonna go in and get this one. I don't know the name of the color because it is written in Mandarin, I'm pretty sure. So it's this like nice soft pink. Is the name here in English? Yes, it is. It's, well, it says it's a nubular color, which means it's like a space theme. So let's just go ahead and do April, and I think that is pretty. So what are we going to do? First things first, I need to write in my key. Okay, so we need to make sure that we are doing our bills, our debts, I guess. And what else did I say for last time? So income and other, which are any like others or any little bills. So that is it for my keys. I need to make sure that I'm getting all my bills done, my debts, my income, and others, which are just casual bills that I need to pay for that one particular month. It's not continuous. Okay, so I do get paid on the 30th and on the 15th. So I'll mark those off. I do get my Etsy payout every Monday, so I'll just go ahead and mark those in, which I think I did already get an Etsy payout. I just don't remember how much it is for. And these are not all the time. I do not get paid all the time. It's just, you know, whenever I make a sale, I get a portion of that sale. So all my bills are, or all my income is checked. So now I'm going to go in and do my debts. So I have my, I know I have one on the 4th, which it's already paid for already. So that is my Visa. My Visa is on the 4th. My other credit card is on the 22nd. No, that's the other Visa. And then my MasterCard is on the 15th. Wow. It's a lot of back to back. So I have my MasterCard. Then I did go ahead and pick up some new furnitures with my Flexit card. So that bill is also due on the 22nd, is it? Yeah. Okay, and then so that is that all of my debts? And then I have my student loan, which I will pay on the 19th. Okay, so student loan is on the 19th, so that should be what, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing 1. So I got this Visa, my MasterCard, my student loan, and my Flexit, so 5. So all my debts are taken care of. Now, like the Flexit one is a other. I guess I could put that as an other, but I'll just leave it like that. So I have rent, which is already taken care of. Rent is at the beginning of the month. That is already taken care of. I have my Netflix on the 2nd. And Canva is on the 5th. And if you realize, I'm not really putting in the amount. I'm just making a note of when the bill is due. I have iTunes on the 8th. And then my iCloud is on the 12th. And though it looks like a lot of bills, y'all, I've actually cut back some. Believe it or not, I did cut back some. Okay, I have my Epidemic Sound due on the 15th. And this is just to enhance the quality of my YouTube content, just to have a little background music that is copywritten or copyright. My car insurance is also due on the 15th. And then what else? I got Wi-Fi on the 18th. That's my internet. Then life insurance should be on the 20th, but it's a weekend, so I'm just going to bump it to the 22nd. And then my cell phone is on the 30th. And that is it for bills. So that is all done. That portion is taken care of. Let's get into my budget portion. Okay. So that is it. Hopefully, do I need to zoom in? Okay, that should be good. That should be good. Okay, I think you guys are good. I think you are able to see everything. Let me just grab my calculator over here. So for income, okay, so for income from my regular paycheck, I have $2,435, and then others is $3,000. So that gives me a total of $5,435 to work with. And I think that is pretty good. As for bills, my bills are going to total out to $1,011.75. This month for groceries, I'm going to put $600. And then for household, I'll put $100. I need quite a bit of stuff. For gas, I am going to do $200, which I don't think I need that much, but we'll just leave it like that. For children, I'll put $3, and spending, I will put $2. Okay, so that is that. Let me just go ahead and add all of this up quickly. Okay, so that gives me 1,400 even. So let's just do a little bit of takeaway. Okay, so 5,435, take away what is in my bills, $1,011. So I now have $4,423.25 to work with. Take away 1,400 in variable expense, and that leaves me with $3,023.25 to work with. Okay, moving on over. I don't know, this pen is just doing a little, I'm wondering if it's okay. There's like a little thing sticking out. You know what? It's working, so I'm gonna work with it. Okay, so for my Visa, number one, my personal Visa, I'm going to pay, what did I say I wanted to? I actually want to pay $500. I want to give my personal Visa $500. My second Visa card, I will do $150. My MasterCard, $250. I don't have to do too much for tuition. I'm just going to put $30, and for my Flexit, I will put $100. So let's go ahead and add all of that up. Okay, so I have $1,030. So $3,023.25. Take away $1,030. That leaves me with $1,993.25 to work with. Okay, moving on into my sinking funds. This is what I'm going to do. I am going to allocate 3. Should I put 3? Okay, I'm going to say $350 into sinking funds. I will figure out how much will go into each binder and break it down even more into each envelopes, but for now I'm just going to say $350 is going towards all of my sinking funds for the month of April. So $1,993.25, take away $350, and that leaves me with $1,643.25. Okay, to work with. I want to put, I shouldn't have erased that, $1,643.25. Okay, as for all of my saving challenge, I want to put $400. So take away $400. So I am going to have a buffer of $1,243.25. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in and fill in my summary. Okay, so that is all done. I do have something that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me just see if I could grab that quickly. Anyways, my budget is done. Everything is completed. I wanted to do this earlier. I should have just did a little post in my community tab, but I didn't. But we're here now and we're doing it. April is my birthday month. So in order to celebrate with you guys, I have these 3 freebies, which I will link down in the description box. I have a whole entire section of freebies. So if you're just getting started out, you don't need to buy anything. Just hit my freebie section up and I think you should be good. I think you should be good. Yeah, so these are the 3. Let me just move this over to the side because we are done with our budget for the month. A little late, but better late than never. And these are the 3 freebies. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy it. The goat, because you know that's our little, that's the Aries sign. So yes, the Aries, we the goat. April shower brings Mayflower and the cupcakes, just because, you know. So I think they're super cute and I think you guys will like it. This one is a $5 challenge. You have the little $5 at the top of the cupcake where the heart is. This one is roll the die and save. So once you roll the die, whatever amount, you could roll 1 die or 2 dice, and then you could just put the amount here and then save it, the little line right there. And then this the last one with the umbrella, the April shower theme, it's pretty much open-ended as well. You can decide whatever denomination you want each umbrella to be, or you could roll the die and pick a number that way, whichever suits your fancy or tickle your fancy. Those are my 3 freebie for the month of April to celebrate my birthday month. I hope you enjoy. Until next time, I will see. So until next time, I hope you guys enjoy these 3 freebies. Thank you for watching today's video. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because it helps your girl out. Hope you enjoy and love these freebies. Ta-ta.